How to like all songs in a Spotify playlist. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Export page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Search. In the search bar, type in the name of an artist that you like. Tap on the artist that you're looking for. Now scroll down and tap on the three dots beside a song that you like. Then tap on Add to Liked Songs. This song is now added to your liked songs on Spotify. You can repeat this step for as many songs as you want and add them to your liked songs playlist. Now, you can go to your library to check your liked songs playlist and the new songs that have been added to it. This way, you can easily find your favorite music on Spotify. Following these steps, you can easily like all songs in a Spotify playlist.